In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your Notion templates. We'll walk through the exact process of turning a Notion page into a shareable product that you can list on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or any other digital marketplace. By the end, you'll have a public link for your template that you can start selling right away. First, open the Notion page that you want to sell as a template. This could be a planner, a dashboard, a project system, anything you've built and want to share. Make sure this page is complete and organized the way you want your customers to see it, because whatever is on this page is what they'll receive. Now, look for the share button at the top right corner of your Notion window. It's usually near the page title and icons. Go ahead and click on Share. This opens a panel where you control who can access this page. Inside that Share panel, you should see an option related to publishing the page to the web. Click on the Publish option. If this is your first time doing it for this page, it might say something like Publish or Publish to Web. Click it to start making your template publicly accessible. Notion will then show you a confirmation area or toggle to finalize publishing. Click on Publish again to confirm. This step tells Notion that you're okay with anyone who has the link being able to view this page. Don't worry, they'll only see this specific template page, not your entire workspace, as long as you're only publishing this one. Once the page is successfully published, Notion will generate a public link. In the same Share or Publish panel, you'll see a field with a URL and an option to copy it. Click on Copy Link. This is the link your customers will use to access the template. With that link copied, you can now head over to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or any marketplace that allows digital products. Create a new product listing, add your title, description, and images, and when it asks for the file or content, paste that Notion link as the main access point. After purchase, customers will receive this link and can duplicate the template into their own Notion workspace, letting you sell the same system over and over with just this one setup.